time, marching united into the light. We're rising up, rising up. This is our time, we come together. Time we come together, rising up. We're rising up. This is our freedom, freedom. We're rising up.
Well, sweetheart, the day we have patiently awaited and worked so hard to plan is finally here. I know you are going to be the most beautiful bride ever. Relax and enjoy the day. Today we celebrate us, the life we have made, our family, and all the memories we are going to make. I love you, love Elise, Walter.
United, we'll win the fight. We're rising up, rising up. This is our time, we come together. Time we come together, rising up. We're rising up. This is our freedom, freedom. We're rising up.
Just a little love note on our wedding day to tell you how much I admire and appreciate you, how excited I am to marry you again, and how very, very much I love you. Don't be late. Love, your soon-to-be bride again.
Let us congratulate Mr. and Mrs. Walter Santiago.